Hi friends, welcome you all to Moneymax Academy. Today we are going to learn about freeze fans and split pans. So how to freeze the spans, how to split the spans. So we have the data. Suppose for example we have the data serial number, date wise you have given 1st June to 30th June. We have the data for the 12 months Jan to December. Okay, suppose you are going data now. You can see up to 13 days with the title. We have the title Jan, February month. Suppose if you are going down 14, 15, 16, 17, you don't have the title. You want to know what is the answer for this, what is the month for this, how to understand, it is very difficult. So in this situation, if you have the large data, you want to see the title for the large data, you can use the split fans or you can use freeze fans. So now we are going to explain about freeze spans. How to freeze a span. There are three kind of method. Go to the view menu, freeze span. We can freeze spans to top row. We can freeze spans to first column. We can freeze spans to both. So first one, we can freeze spans to top row only. Now we can give freeze top row. Please see the symbol table. If you click here serial number 1, the top row will be freezed. Okay, now you can click, you can see clear front 13, no problem. If you are going 14, 15, 16, the title will be remaining same. So wherever you are going, the title will be same. This is the method of freeze fan. If you want to remove, go to the freeze fan, unfreeze fans. Clear? Now you want to know column wise. Suppose you want to fix the freeze on column, freeze first column. Now you can click it here. If you are going this side, not a problem, but you are giving the freeze on column wise, serial number wise, first column, serial number wise, we have freezed. This is the column wise freeze span. If you want to remove the freeze span, you can click unfreeze. So for this kind of situation, normally we are using freeze span for the title only. So select the entire row, fix the freeze spans. Now you can get the freeze spans properly. So this is the method of how to freeze the fans, how to unfreeze the fans. Now in the same method, you can use split also. How to split? What is the difference between freeze spans and split spans? Freeze spans mean there is no changes in the original data. Nothing is required. You just freeze and then get the title on the top. That's all. But if you are using split spans, you can split the data and use it for comparison. How to compare? Please see now. I want to split the data. Now I want to compare row wise or column wise. There are two types. Suppose I want to compare column wise mean this is the data first half year. Correct? No? Jan to June. 6-month data. This is the 6-month data. I want to compare 6-month data to July, August, September, October, November. After first half, second half. So first half will be highlighted in yellow color. Second half is highlighted in blue color. Now you want to compare. So you want to compare column wise. So what you can do, select the column. You can go to view menu, click split. Now you can see there are two dialog box. There are two roller. If you want to move here, you can move. The original data will be available. Separate sheet like this. Suppose if you click here, if you want to see the yellow, yes. So what is the difference between freeze pans and split pans? If you are using split pans, the data will be splitted into two. The same data but splitted into two. Now you can compare. You can compare with a closely monitor. You can compare with a closely. So this is the use of split. Okay. Suppose you want to remove, you just select and remove the split pan. Okay. This is the column wise. Now you want to have select up to 10 days you have some data. Up to 10 days you have some data, but you want to up to 15 days. First to 15 days you have some data. I can give the color, different color. First to 15 days the data color is this much. Next to 15 days, so I am splitting the data by date wise. That is called row wise. Okay. Now I want to split the data here. So row wise. Okay. Now you can go view menu, give split. Automatically the row pan will be split. Now if you want to go there, you can see all the things you can see. Separate sheet, like a separate sheet. If you want to go there, you can see the all the things. First sheet you can see. So this is the split pans. So you can split the pans and compare the data and you can get the comparison. If you want to remove, you can double click. That's all. Thank you for watching this video, friends. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.